So I want to talk you through exactly what comes in your kit when you do your online training with us. So this beautiful gigantic big box is going to be delivered directly to your doorstep, and it contains everything that you need to do hair extensions. It will vary ever so slightly depending on what method you choose, but most of it's all the same. So when you open up the kit, open the box, the first thing you get is your beautiful human hair mannequin head. So this is very high quality human hair. It's the perfect length for doing hair extensions, so you get her. You also get your mannequin head clamp, and that's a stand to hold her in place. And then you get your gorgeous vegan leather kit, and that contains loads of goodies. So when we open this up like this, we can see everything that's inside. So I'm going to talk you through this. So first of all, you get your tail comb. That's what you're going to use to section your hair extensions. Then you get your razor tool, which is my favorite tool in the world. This can be used left-handed and right-handed, and it is perfect for blending in hair extensions, getting rid of blunt lines and cutting extensions as well. You get, if you are doing wefts, you're going to get your little scissors, and that's for cutting wefts and for cutting thread, and I love that scissors. You're going to get your pliers or your clamp, and that's what you're going to use to open and close hair extensions and also take out bond hair extensions, so it's a very high quality clamp. If you are doing weft, you will get 3 of these C-type needles, and that's what you're going to use to sew your wefts in. If you're doing micro rings, nano rings, or wefts, you will get 2 of these threaders. So these are really high quality threaders, and these are what you use to put beads onto your client's hair. You will get 4 of these sectioning clips. If I can take them out now. So 4 of these section clips, and these are what you're going to use to section your client's hair. So they look like this, and they get you a really clean section, so you get 4 of those. You also get these little duckbill clips, and those are great for a load of different things, including wefts and keeping little flyaways out of the way. If you were doing wefts, you'll get nylon hair extension thread. It looks like that. You will get micro rings, and so if you're doing wefts, you'll get these micro rings here, which have the silicone lining in them. And then if you are doing nano rings or individual micro rings, you will get a little jar of either, like this. And then as well as that, you'll get your Velcro hair holders. So they hold the hair in place, they stop any little flyaways, and I absolutely love these guys. You will get a soft bristle brush, which is perfect for hair extensions. If you are doing bonds, you will get your heat gun, which looks like... It's my favorite type of heat gun. I really like this one. It's got a very precise tip on it like that. So you will get one of those as well. You will get your training manual, which looks like this, and this has pretty much everything that you learn in the videos. You will also get a training manual of it. You will get the hair for your chosen method, so you'll get high quality training hair for your chosen methods of hair extensions like that, so you can practice on your mannequin. And then you will also get this very special surprise that you will open up when you finish your training with us, and you will also get your accredited certificates too to print out and keep, and all of your client forms too. You'll get all of those to print out and keep reusing. So that is everything that comes in your beautiful big box. Again, it's delivered directly to your door. Our online training contains the exact content as our in-person training, but the beauty of it is you can do it at your own time, at your own pace, and from your own home. And also you can rewind and rewatch as many times as you like, and we are there to support you the whole way.